I miss, and I take no chance. I take that shit lightly.
Alright, well, I just need to ask you a few questions. But first, let me introduce Crystal. She's going to be the third person a part of the dance group.
Okay, nice to meet you, Crystal.
Nice to meet you.
One question. You and nobody have no disagreement in the music business?
No. New to this.
And there's nobody outside of the music business like, where you used to do before?
We used to run a wholesale and liquor store. But I'm not expecting nobody to pre me from that side at all.
You can never be too careful in a princess. With this newfound success in your music business, you can never tell.
I just want to feel safe again, like it's hiding them from everything we really want to do. I feel safe, I feel happy, I feel contented to get towards what I need to get towards. I verse all for them, I can't verse now, nothing, I can't feel focused at all, like, it throw me off. I just want to help me fix this, because I don't do nobody nothing.
That is why I'm here. Every now and then you're going to be seeing somebody patrolling the area, just for your safety. Until I do my further investigations on the calls that you've been getting, then I can put more persons around you.
Please do that very, very fast. Because this man is somebody suspicious outside, and I look for me, and I could have sworn I think him come across my gate. So look into that thing, please come this man.
Can you give me a description of the person?
You mean a water commission vest?
Alright, that's fine. That's the person who is going to be patrolling.
Okay. I never said that. So, when I need this, and one more question. You can see my face, you can see me know who it is.
No problem, princess. Whisper, come inside.
So one of the legal people, the police, for real.
Yes, princess.
Children is really my boyfriend, but I don't know if he might have any police link and them something. There's always some bungalow and some.
I understand what you're saying, princess, but another bungalow them this. This is the real deal. We're legit. And Sheldon is family.
Okay. So she a police too?
No. She's just your dancer.
Okay. And you can actually dance, right? Cause the other two girls are dancers.
Well, if you want to find out now, we can do an audition if you want.
Perfect. Alright, so you can do the audition of course, but more you keep in mind that dancers are different from persons who know choreography, right? Because I'm doing a different thing per scene. And at that show, it's a choreography.
I understand completely. I'm not the dash show type. I teach dance as well as stage performance.
And that's good. So, come show you go to the moves them and see if you're quick and can catch it in there.
Alright, princess. I'm going to take a walk around the house here.
Thank you.
Alright.
Really? Need to take a look into that.
But the other side seems occupied.
Mm-hmm. It looks good to me. Access the yard by lift.
Not even firm.